Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 7th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Take-Two Interactive. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Take-Two Interactive's performance, especially given their strong position in the gaming industry.
Absolutely. Take-Two has just released their fiscal second quarter 2025 results. Let's get into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Take-Two Interactive reported net bookings of $1.47 billion for the fiscal second quarter of 2025, which is a 2% increase from last year. John, can you elaborate on this performance?
Certainly, the net bookings were driven by the continued success of their flagship franchises like Grand Theft Auto and Borderlands. Despite a challenging market, Take-Two managed to grow their net bookings, which is a testament to their strong portfolio and consumer engagement.
And what about their profitability? The GAAP net revenue increased by 4% to $1.35 billion, yet they reported a net loss of $365.5 million. What's behind this?
The increase in revenue is positive, but the net loss is primarily due to high operating expenses and amortization of acquired intangibles. However, it's worth noting that the loss has narrowed compared to the previous year, indicating some improvement in their cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Take-Two's gross profit increased significantly. What factors contributed to this?
The gross profit rose to $727.9 million, largely due to a strategic shift in marketing expenses and a focus on recurrent consumer spending, which grew by 6%. This indicates that Take-Two is effectively managing its cost structure while enhancing its revenue streams.
Looking ahead, Take-Two has reiterated its fiscal year 2025 net bookings guidance of $5.55 to $5.65 billion. How do you view their future prospects?
Take-Two is well-positioned for future growth, especially with the anticipated release of major titles like Grand Theft Auto 6 and Borderlands 4. These releases are expected to drive significant consumer interest and revenue, supporting their long-term growth strategy.
Strategic initiatives and market position. Take-Two's strategic focus on digital and recurrent consumer spending seems to be paying off. Can you explain how this strategy benefits them?
Absolutely. Recurrent consumer spending, which includes in-game purchases and virtual currency, accounted for 81% of net bookings. This not only provides a steady revenue stream, but also enhances player engagement and loyalty. Additionally, with 96% of their revenue coming from digital channels, Take-Two is capitalizing on the shift towards digital consumption in gaming.
And how does their intellectual property portfolio contribute to their market position?
Take-Two's strong IP portfolio, including franchises like Grand Theft Auto, NBA 2K, and Red Dead Redemption, gives them a competitive edge. These franchises have a loyal fan base and consistently perform well, ensuring Take-Two remains a leader in the gaming industry.
Risks and challenges. Despite the positive aspects, there are challenges. What risks should investors be aware of?
One of the main challenges is the high operating expenses, which have impacted profitability. Additionally, the gaming industry is highly competitive, and maintaining market share requires continuous innovation and investment. These factors could pressure Take-Two's margins if not managed effectively.
How should investors interpret the net loss reported this quarter?
While the net loss of $365.5 million is concerning, it's important to consider the context. The loss has decreased from the previous year, and with strategic cost management and upcoming game releases, Take-Two is on a path to potentially improve its financial health.
Key takeaways. In summary, Take-Two Interactive has shown resilience with a 2% growth in net bookings and a strong focus on digital and recurrent consumer spending. With exciting releases on the horizon, the company is poised for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Take-Two's strategic initiatives and robust IP portfolio position them well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on their cost management and the performance of upcoming titles. Overall, the outlook is promising.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Take-Two's performance in the comments below.